experience in life. And I have just had it today. Thanks to all of you, and thank you. I'm so glad I already personally took the step, and I will be making many such more. But to spread this happiness and this joy that we are experiencing, and this is a room full of joy, I think it's, I'll always turn to members of the media to help me spread this word, to help me spread the word and the work of Smile Train to far and wide, within our country and beyond. But the work has been very, very strongly, the train has been well on the tracks beyond our borders. But within our country, it grew with a lot more reached. Smile Train की जो आवाज़ है, वो बहुत दूर तक हमें पहुंचानी है और हमें ये काम जारी रखना है और ये आप ही के मदद के साथ हम कर सकते हैं और ये सर्जरी बहुत ही सिंपल है. I mean, I'm not getting technical here, but what I'm trying to say is it can be done. With full respect, dear doctors, what I'm saying is, this is what I have been told by Smile Train, is that it is a possibility. And it's important to take that doubt and that possible anxiety and fear away from our people. They have to know that it's simple in the sense that it is an easy possibility if they're willing to explore it and reach out. And that is important for that to be done. And you all have strengthened my conviction. If we could do 100 surgeries on such short notice, and this is just my request, let alone what all you must be already overwhelmed with in your commitments. It is possible. So thank you, and thank you all for coming and getting these surgeries done. There are some of you who still have to get the surgeries done. God bless you. It will be done, it will be successful, and you have to know out there in the world, and this I'm speaking to people through the electronic media, that when we say it's corrective smiles, and you're not just, it's not about just the physical look of it. It's about actually embracing what we all know as normality in our lives. In eating your food, in drinking your water, in swallowing your saliva, in speech. There are so many areas of life which we take for granted. It's just so normal to us, our breathing. But with the cleft lip, it can come in the way. It can make your normal functions very, very difficult. Hence, this surgery is a must. There are hands, there are organizations, there are people out here ready to help, willing to help. So please reach out and hold the hand willing to take you to a world full of smiles and a life full of smiles. God bless, and we love you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for those very, very compassionate and touching words. And once again, Smile Train and Godrej Memorial Hospital are very thankful to the Aishwarya Rai Foundation and Mr. Rai personally for supporting the cause of clefts. Aishwarya, as our Goodwill Ambassador, takes the message that every child can lead a normal life, even if you're born with a cleft, doesn't really matter. You can be normal like myself or her or whoever. Dr. Desai. So this is the cleft team which actually take care of all the children and all the 100 children that you've supported. Please come. Yeah, absolutely. They are the ones that are transforming lives every day. Dr. Vaishali. The CEO of Godrej Memorial Hospital, sir. Without your support, we couldn't have done this. 800 surgeries. We couldn't have done this, sir, without your support. Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you, the team of doctors, for actually doing this. Thank you. Yeah.
मैडम मैं मैम
truly been blessed.
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। प्यारे बच्चे जो बहुत दूर दूर से आए हैं, रियली सॉरी कि आप लोगों को बहुत टाइम लग गया। बेटा बैठ जाओ। गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, distinguished guests, photographers, journalists, all the children, children's parents, everyone, the doctors, a warm welcome to you on behalf of Smile Train, and a very, very warm welcome to Miss Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Mr. Rai, Uncle Rai, and on the eve of his birthday. On the eve of his birthday, and very, very warm welcome to them to visit Godrej Memorial Hospital. On behalf of Smile Train, I welcome you all, and we are extremely happy and we express our gratitude for their generosity and compassion to be here, to be with the children, to interact with them and to talk to all of you. So, as a kick-off, let us start with lighting the lamp. So I request Ms. Bachchan to start lighting the lamp with these beautiful children who've actually received a cleft surgery post their support to Smile Train, and I'm extremely, so, and Mr. Rai is going to light the lamp.
Excuse me. आपने कहा था लेकिन ओके सबसे पहले नमस्कार, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीबॉडी। फर्स्टली मैं माफ़ी चाहती हूँ, I've got a bit of a sore throat, so my voice is, मेरा गला थोड़ा बैठ गया है, लेकिन मेंबर्स ऑफ द मीडिया से मैं छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि हमें अनुभव है कि जब मीडिया वाले रहते हैं और ये सब आपको तस्वीर लेना पड़ रहा है, एंड यू नो वी आर ट्राइंग टू कैप्चर अ मोमेंट। आई हैव द एक्सपीरियंस बट नोबडी एल्स इन दिस रूम डज, सो दे विल गेट वेरी थ्रोन एंड कन्फ्यूज्ड कि क्या करना है। अगर सब साथ में चिल्लाएंगे तो उन्हें समझ में नहीं आएगी। So just keep it a little shant, because lots of little babies and parents and you know so much noise, they'll get very confused. मैं एक अकेली हूँ यहाँ और एक ही कमरे में है। We'll hear each other, okay? तो थोड़ी शांति से, and I'll make sure you'll get all your pictures that you'll need, okay? So just say it softly and we'll work it out, okay? Thank you. Good evening once more. And namaskar, namaste, vanakkam. Hello everyone. This is a wonderful feeling to be actually standing here on a very special day, actually, in our lives. And today, you all here at the Godrej Hospital with Smile Train, with all the doctors and all of you sitting here, you all have made this day in my life extremely memorable and exceedingly special. You are the reasons responsible for it. And I thank my friends, members of the media who are here to witness what this event means to me. So I thank you for your time and your patience, members of the media. Because today is, well, there are multiple reasons for marking such a special day. Firstly, we have managed to, within a very short span of time, thanks to the help of all the doctors and the hospital and Smile Train, and my foundation, thank you Daddy, that we have gone and succeeded in completing 100 surgeries and transforming the lives of 100 families, 100 human beings, little angels as we say, by being able to successfully perform the surgeries that they've needed in their lives. And Smile Train and I have been working together now for 4 years, but at various points in time I've been able to be their spokesperson, to be able to travel and represent them, to encourage funds in the direction of effective progressive work. But in this month of November, 2014, because I managed to have the time, I quickly said, wait, I want to get this done to mark personal important milestones also in my life. It is today, 19th of November, is 20 years to Miss World in my life. More than anything else, this is the eve of my father's 76th birthday. Tomorrow is my dad's birthday. And while I wanted to do so much more for his 75th, I was so busy and I was so overwhelmed with motherhood and balancing out my personal and professional life. I was not able to mark it in a more spectacular manner. And today, you all have made it possible for me today to mark my father's birthday. That's the most important factor for me. And of course, you all know recently my little Aradhya has turned 3. Time flies. And I can see all of you with your own little angels here, all your babies, all your children. And I always say a smile will only have more meaning when you have a heart that gets warmed by it. So you need to find the smiles within you, and you need to spread that smile beyond you. And it's the most amazing experience.